see the light ahead, right ahead, there. Fishing? Well, do you know how? You know, I'm quite a fisherman myself. I catch a lot of fish, millions of fish. Do you ever catch any? Why, I use them for bait.
I got another one! I got another one! Yippee!
That's no way to fish. You gotta be calm and steady. Lucky I came along, or you'd have lost it. See? You lost them. That's your trouble. Fish won't bite on worms. That's old stuff. You gotta outsmart them. Okay, stand aside. I'll show you how to fish. Simple, isn't it? Perfect control. That's all you need. Wow! I got a bite! Darn that fish! Wait till I get my hands on him. You stay here, and I'll show you how to get that fish. Hey, you! Get me hooks and tackle, a rod and a reel, a gaff and a boat, and all kinds of things and stuff like that there. This is gonna be a battle of wits. Mice mouth. Oh. Put that down. Keep those fishy fins out of my lunchbox and put that banana down. Now get out of here. Scram, beat it. This is the last straw. The big sapper's heading straight for my net.